Back at Timmy's birds. They've got some new babies coming up. They love the fresh green grass. There's their angel, the white one. Kind of rare, but there's a new baby that's white. They just got them some fresh grass to nibble on. And now they're all over. Crackers, bread. They want a little vegetation. We got a mama in here. There's some babies, hopefully. There's two in there. Hopefully they're gonna, not see any yet. This egg. This one has 9 eggs. 5 and 4. 9 eggs in there. See if I can get by these. There's 2 almost ready to fly 3 babies in here. A white and 2 darker ones. Mama's in there taking care of them right now. But there's an all white one in there too. There's my maid. My mundane. And there's all the eggs we got rid of. So there are no producing eggs. There they are. Pretty interesting to follow these guys.